KW Germany car audio, Android GPS big screen player, Android 9.0, 1 GB RAM or 2 GB RAM, 16 GB or 32 GB ROM. IPS screen available for 9-inch or 10.1-inch. It's coming with a power socket, universal power socket, RCA socket, a GPS antenna, 2 USB extension, reverse camera input, and a Wi-Fi antenna. It's a slim body. Okay, a full menu. Here is setting, a network internet. You have to turn on the Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. System, about device T3L version, Android version 9, a sample for 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Bluetooth, you have to click search pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After that, you can click for the call in or call out or answer call from here. It's got a mic input on the left top, MIC for mic input, RST for reset. After pairing with your phone Bluetooth, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Easy Connect mirror link function, selected phone model, Android or iPhone. Equalizer. So this is 2 GB RAM player. It's come with a ESP version. It's a time alignment, a bass adjust, surround set, equalizer. So it's got a preset channel as well, and you can do your adjust. Just for the sample. A file manager to manage your file. So internal storage is a 32 GB storage. After connect with your USB, so you can support a pen drive or portable hard disk. Okay, you can move your file and copy your file. Hardware info. So this for the apps for check your hardware info. Display resolution 1024x600. Google Maps, music volume, offline GPS Papago, Play Store, log in the Gmail to download app, a radio, so total got a 18 channel for preset. Okay, select the frequency you want, a long press to save it. Steering wheel control, the support for the Spotify, YouTube, Waze. Okay, this is T3L version. Also support for the themes. You can change the themes. This is preset for KW Car Audio, and this is this 3 for your universal UI display. Online TV, you have to share your hotspot, connect phone hotspot for online to get a TV signal. Go to setting again, a car setting, a brake setting. This is for after release handbrake, still can play video. Okay, reverse line ruler, on off, parking line, and extra setting. For the password is 123456. Click for OK. So you can do for the extra setting for factory setting. Change the logo. A reset factory. Okay, for another extra setting, click same, click for the extra setting, a password 8888, click for the OK. The first one, the model choose, you can select for the CAN bus setting. For the high spec car model, you have to do the CAN bus setting to detect your original car setting function. Okay, back to home. T3L is got a split screen function. Click for the square icon. Long press, draw it to left or right for left-right screen. So one side can GPS, one side for video. If you want to turn off the split screen, just quickly. This is turn off. Square icon to clear apps. Or Android player, you have to clear apps. Clear it one by one or close all. So suspension, so this is a shortcut. If you don't want a suspension, draw it down, off. Draw it down again, screensaver. Nighttime driving, you can choose for the screensaver. Okay, the music or the radio will keep on. Press anyway to turn it on. Screenshot function or clear memory. So click for the reset. This is for the reset your player. It's a restart your player. Okay. So this is KW Car Audio Android GPS big screen player T3L version. Okay. All right. Thank you.